headquartered in Washington, D.C.
Make it a little bit more challenging. So I got this poster. It's actually still in the package. I didn't know they did this. So we always start the morning off with getting our gym bag ready. I just take another shirt and maybe another pair of shorts. That's it. And we're headed out. I have to be at work at 8 o'clock. Oh, that's okay, so now we have to go to our first meeting of the day.
So we already went over this PowerPoint last year, but I just want people to know it's about 504 and a little bit about the SRT. National origin, sex, disability, and age. It is headquartered in Washington.
Clothing with rips, tears, or frays, or any extreme style.
Like what Miss Scott has on
On
tonight?
Friday.
Oh.
On Friday.
Can you like leggings under a dress?
Okay, now we're getting to that.
That's their whole wardrobe.
Low waist, look at my leggings, warm-up, yoga pants, spandex, somewhat above the eye of the.
Okay, so we are right now just getting out of our meetings, and I'm going to show you guys what we have here. Like one of those going out of business buy now stores. So everything in here was basically $1. So this is what I got. All of these are in here. I have enough for groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So enough for 7 groups. That's all they had. If they had more, I would have gotten it, but this is all they have, and I'm gonna see what I can do with it. Seems a little bit fun, but I'm gonna try to amp it up and make it more challenging for my students. I'm pretty sure we can apply this to something. Okay, next I have what's in this bag. This came from Knowledge Tree, so we can do a quick Knowledge Tree haul. I need these. I got these last year, but we weren't able to use them because we weren't in the classroom. So I got this poster. It says, everyone is here, everyone belongs. Practice self-control, be accountable for your choices, finish what you begin. Basically, I'm just getting them to cover up stuff on the wall, and I'll show you all why in just a second. Not necessarily because I really like them. I just didn't have anything else to spend my money on, because teachers get our little stipend that we can use to buy things with, and I pretty much have everything already, so I was just kind of wanting to use up just the last bit of it, and this is what I got. Just a ton of posters. So I'll just take you guys through them and show you what I have. All right, yep, so that's it. So let me show you what I need to cover. So if you can see here, you see this wall? All of these things here, they need to be covered. Like, I could paint them. Technically I could, but why? I'm just gonna put posters over them and just put it there. I used to have a mirror there, that's why it looks like that, and the mirror fell off. Some of the kids were playing with it and it fell off and crashed, and so I just never put it back up. So now I'm just gonna replace it with posters. I'm also gonna put a poster here too. this is where the kids' books go. So I have their books, their textbooks that they put here. So I put like different class periods. They don't use that, by the way. So I do 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and then I have a 7th period back there. So this wall has basically had it. And I'm gonna put, because the kids kind of stack their books up there and they snatch them down. So technically I probably should paint that one, but I'm not sure. I might just go ahead and replace it with the poster. Another thing I need to put it on, posters on, is this. So this is my door, and it has a lot of cool quotes on it, but they're really, I mean, I could reprint them and put them out here, but I think I'm just gonna replace it with some posters that you just saw in there. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I am also gonna put posters. Well, I like these posters because I teach STEM, so I like this to stay up there year round. Let's see, I actually made this. I was really bored one day and I just kind of, because I could have actually printed it out or actually gotten a poster for it, but I decided to just draw it because I didn't have anything else to do. This is the question board here. So what happens is if I'm teaching and a student has a question, I can write down their question, put it on the sticky board, and I answer all of the questions at the end of the lesson. Now, sometimes I do go ahead and answer the questions, and the reason why I would tell them to write it down is if I know for sure it's going to be one of the questions that I'm addressing or that they'll get their answer to at the end of the class period. But if it's something I know that's really, really, really pressing, and they know it's really pressing in order for them to pay attention to what I'm saying, I'll go ahead and let them ask their question at that time. This is the word wall, has the science behaviors and stuff on it. Last year, or for each year, I have them to like draw posters after we go over the rules, and these are some of their posters that they drew. And we have a competitions between the classes who has the best poster about the rules, and we post them up here. So I'm going to show you this other board that I have out here. This is for quality student work here, and I put up their pictures and their work, and it just gets to be displayed there. Okay, and let's go. Okay, so we're back in the classroom. Now I'm gonna try to figure out what I'm gonna do about these posters. So I'm gonna get a little bit organized and just kind of spread them out on each one of these tables and figure out where do I want to put them. And I'm going to go later on to Knowledge Tree to see what else I can buy, because I have another $200 to spend and I can only spend it in 3 places. So first, what we're gonna do is this wall. So I'm thinking, I like this for the front door. Actually, I need to see how many I can fit on the door. So we can do 1, 2. I can fit like 3 or 4 posters on this board, on this door. So since I can put 4 on that door. Okay, so I got these 4 I think I'm gonna put outside the door. I was thinking maybe this one. So like when the students pass by and they see, like, or they're standing in line, they can have some encouraging words to go along with while they're standing in line. Maybe they're not having a good day and they can look up and see the door and it will say, "You are loved," or, you know, they're feeling bad about a test they just took in another class and it can say, "Tomorrow is a new day," you know? So I'm thinking these are gonna go outside on my door. Last set of things that was in my bag from Knowledge Tree, I got these block letters. They look like wood grain. I got 2 sets of those. And then I got this certificate of achievement, because I do give out certificates for Scientist of the Month and for Scientist of the Month and Engineer of the Month, so they can have these. And it's amongst the whole grade level too, for all of the science students, not just for my class. And then for this one, we got an easy reader. I don't really use this because it auto grades, but I guess in the case I do need it. I haven't seen one of these in so long. It was $8. I'm gonna use this to hang up these posters outside my door. So let's see if I can take this off.
Because you already know who he is.
All right, so I have to go to another meeting. So I cut up all of these little Velcro things, and I'm gonna put them on the back of these. Okay, so this is one of the posters, so I'm gonna put the other poster above right there. Thinking maybe this one. It'll look good right there. Still wanted to get something to put there. I just don't know what yet. Actually, I can probably put that sign up there here, but the kids are going to be messing with it when their books are there. All right, then we have this one. I need something to put right there. Okay, maybe I can just rehang the schedule. So I have these things, and I just basically change out the dates here. I have another one. Yeah, I have to change it out on the board too up there. So let me go ahead and get out August. And that is it. So now we are about to head out. We're about to leave. Okay. So we are here at the gym.